my gosh. I'm higher. Can I borrow your chopstick? Okay, to pick up Jell-O with chopsticks. Not easy whatsoever. Ha. I stabbed it. Use chopsticks. Learn to use chopsticks. Not that hard. It's so hard with Jell-O. You can always do teeth. Or do it my old way. I used to do this. Alright, I'm Angel. Bye.